Hindi siguro. Good morning, Congress Basic. Good morning. Give me an update today. We have 120 squares. And then we have Martis pump today. Martis pump. That's their contact number, guys. Based here in Christchurch, New Zealand. Oh, 212255871 55871 2255871. This is our friend today. We have Fert Concrete. And our pumpy today is Dan. We have 2 jobs today. Just the easy one. This box is made by Future Foundations for the developer. I'll show you. Developer is there is no details, but this boxing is Future Foundations, and our company Riverstone Limited. That's the one over there. 3 machines there. Our contact number is 021 247 4837, and we are doing earthworks, foundations, driveways, and we have truck hire. That's Riverstone Limited. Hey guys, thank you so much. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Thank you so much. Goodbye.